Why do you need to sell on Poshmark in 2025? Important statistic, seller fees, important data. Check out it together. Hi guys, with you Svitlana Prokhorivska, Etsy shop YouTube channel How to Sell Crafts. Poshmark, great data. 130 million plus registered users across United States and Canada. Poshmark statistic on January 2025. Global rank 711, country rank 146, category rank number 1, total visits for last month nearly 60 million, duration visits 4 and 48 minutes. Pages per visits nearly 6. It's so much important, guys. United States number 1 country, top countries, it's United States. Number 2 Canada, nearly 2%, United Kingdom, nearly 0.5%, Australia, 0.3%, Germany, about age, 25-34. Nearly 25%, 35-44, nearly 18%, 45-54, nearly 19%, 55-64, nearly 19%, and 65 plus, more than 10%. It's so much important. Female nearly 70%, male nearly 30%. Poshmark social media, Pinterest nearly 70%, Facebook nearly 16%, YouTube nearly 7%, Reddit nearly 6 and 5%, Instagram nearly 1 and 3%, and others. Poshmark fees under $15. Poshmark takes flat commission $2.95. You keep the rest. For sales $15 and more, you keep 80% of your sale, and Poshmark commission is 20%. Example Poshmark. If you're interested about Poshmark example, I'll write under this video name of this page, and you will see these examples. If you're interested about this, it's few example. It's so much interesting. Stay on this video, guys. What do you think about Poshmark? If you need to sell on Poshmark in 2025 or not, what do you think about this marketplace? If you're interested about Etsy, Pinterest, about any other marketplaces, write under this video. Guys, if you need to sell more from Etsy or another website, use Pinterest. Use my ebook How to Use Pinterest for Beginners. It's about Pinterest SEO, about keywords, and how to sell, how to promote your any items on Pinterest. And for Etsy sellers, 500 Pinterest group bots for Etsy sellers to help promote the Etsy shop due to Pinterest group bots. Guys, you are not alone. With you Svitlana Prokhorivska, Etsy shop YouTube channel How to Sell Crafts. Subscribe, guys. Bye. See you in the next video.